Do you know there are over 50 car manufacturers present in the USA? But you'll be shocked to know that there is only one manufacturer selling one of their products below $20,000. Do you know which manufacturer it is? If you guessed Kia, then you are absolutely right. Kia Forte is being sold at MSRP 19,990, which is just shy of 20 grand. Until 2024, there used to be Mitsubishi Mirage, which was an awful vehicle but started at the base price of $16,695. But you should keep in mind that the MSRP prices do not include destination charges, dealer fees, taxes, or any other included fees. So actually, there is not a single car in the country right now which you can purchase brand new under 20 grand, because even the Kia Forte will go over 20 grand once all the fees and the options are included. In the coming days, I will make another video talking about the products available in the bracket of 20 to $25,000. Please subscribe so that you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching.